Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about the detailed recruitment notification of Oriental Insurance AO Legal. The detailed recruitment PDF is out. You can check that from the website and you can also download it from the description below. This is the notification PDF. The online registration starts from 21st of March and will last up to 12th of April. The dates of online examination tentatively is in May-June 2024. You can apply only through online mode and no other means or mode of application will be accepted. For legal stream, there are 20 vacancies. There is a probation period. A candidate appointed in the office's cadre on regular payrolls of the company will be on a probation for 1 year from the date of joining. Then a guarantee bond is also required. A minimum service period of 4 years should be there, or otherwise you will be liable to pay liquidated damages equivalent to 1 year's gross salary paid to them during the year of probation. Candidates resigning from the company during the probation period and candidates whose services are terminated during the probation period will be liable to pay the salary which is received by them. In addition to that, you'll also have to pay rupees 40,000 towards the partial cost of training. The emolument and benefits are mentioned. Basic pay is 50,925 in this scale. Approximately the total emoluments will become equal to rupees 85,000 per month in metropolitan centers. And other benefits are pension under new pension system, by PFRDA, gratuity, LTS, medical benefits, group person accident insurance, leased accommodation as per norms. Then coming to education qualification, you must have the necessary education minimum qualification as on 31st of December 2023. For legal, you should be graduate in law with minimum 60% marks from a recognized university. The candidates must possess valid mark sheet degree certificate of necessary qualification as on 31st of December 2023. Your age as on 31st December 2023 should be between 21 to 30 years. Minimum is 21, maximum is 30 years. Then coming to the selection procedure, phase 1 is prelims exam, which is 100 marks paper, objective paper. There will be 3 subjects: English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude. All the 3 are objective type. These are the number of questions. Timing, sectional timing is also present. Then sectional cutoff will also be there. Candidates have to qualify in each test section by securing passing marks to be decided by the company. So sectional cutoff is also there. And adequate number of candidates accordingly will be shortlisted for the mains examination. Then coming to mains examination will consist of objective test for 200 marks and descriptive test for 30 marks. Both objective and descriptive test will be online. In the objective test, you will have reasoning, English, GA, quantitative aptitude and specialized stream subjects, which is your law. The objective test will be of 2.5 hours. Sectional timing is also given. And then you will have a descriptive test of 30 marks in which there will be 10 marks letter writing and 20 marks essay. So if you see, this pattern is quite similar to NIACL legal exam. We had NIACL legal exam few months ago. This OICL exam is very much similar to New India Assurance Limited exam. It is also mentioned a candidate will be required to qualify in the descriptive test, but marks of descriptive test will not be counted towards shortlisting for interview or final selection. Then there is penalty for wrong answers. 1/4 negative marking is present. Then you have phase 3 as interview. Your phase 2 and interview holds an 80:20 weightage. Students up to 3 times the number of vacancies will be called for interview. Then interview has a weightage of 20. Final selection will be based on consolidated marks of mains examinations and interview. There is no experience required for this post. You can check out rest of the details from this recruitment PDF attached in the description below. I am conducting a free workshop on Thursday, 14th of March at 6 p.m. to discuss in detail about this recruitment, about the preparation strategy, expected syllabus, the target cutoff. So if you want to join this workshop, if you want your queries to be answered by me, if you want to discuss anything, you'll have to register for this workshop. The registration link is present in the description below. The application form starts from 21st of March. Exam is expected in May or June. So you have 2 months in your hand to prepare for this exam and you can make the best use of this time to clear this exam. The freshers are eligible for this exam and we can discuss this in detail in the workshop. So that's all in this video. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with the crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.